Well, members of a class action lawsuit against the Ford government for their cancellation of the Ontario Basic Income pilot are urging the government to pay up.
People were able to move into safer housing, buy healthier food, fix long-term health issues, and get out of poverty. The devastating effects of the cancellation were felt with every single person that I talked to and met.
The early cancellation of the pilot was a breach of contract by Premier Ford and by the Government of Ontario. It's as simple as that. Our hope is that the class action lawsuit will help remedy some of what was lost for the participants.
The Ontario Basic Income pilot was supposed to provide monthly payments to people living in Lindsay, Hamilton, Brant, and Thunder Bay for 3 years, while the Liberal government at the time tested how effective it was at helping lower-income families. But once the Ford government came into power in 2018, they axed the project prematurely, leaving some participants on the hook for things they could no longer afford, like an apartment lease or post-secondary school tuition. Council arguing it had a negative emotional and financial impact on people who counted on having that income for 3 years. Over 4,000 participants filed a class action lawsuit to the Ford government, which was certified by Superior Court in March. Now, government lawyers have agreed to paying $320,000 for legal counsel for participants, but the lawsuit is seeking $200 million in damages, and they're urging the government to act now. Jaden Lee-Lincoln, Global News.